Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to our last video of the video series, integrating Breez SDK Nodeless into React Native and Expo. Today, we'll be looking into how to send payments with the Breez SDK. As usual, the commit hash for this video is 07567C61, or more simply, feature add send payment flow. So the first thing you'd like you to notice is that the file structure for the send payment part is exactly the same as the file structure for the receive payment part. That is because on the Breez SDK, the paradigm for payment flows is exactly the same between sending and receiving. There's a prepare part, which prepares the payment with information about the destination and the amount. Then there's a confirmation part, where the user can see the fees he will incur to, as well as confirmation that the destination is valid. And finally, there's a final part, in which we display whether or not the payment was successful. So let's start from the first part, the prepare. As you can see here, this is the file send prepare.tsx. And the first thing we'll notice, if I go over here, is that we have a destination field and an amount field. So it's these two right here, amount and destination. And I'm going to go ahead and generate a destination. I have one right here ready, so I'll use this one. Okay. So this is a liquid address, but you can also input an invoice or a BIP21 liquid or Bitcoin address. And we'll go ahead and send 1000 sats to that. All right. So once I press continue, it will trigger this prepare send function that I've defined right here. And in it, we're calling, as on the receive flow, prepare send payment this time, which takes two arguments. One for the destination. So once again, the string representing either the invoice or the address, and an amount. The amount accepts a type, which is a variant of either Bitcoin, asset, or drain. Bitcoin, of course, is to send Bitcoin. Asset sends a specific asset, and it also lets you provide the asset ID along with it. And then finally, drain is a special variant in which it allows you to send all your funds to a specific address. But we won't go deeper to that. So we'll call prepare send payment, and if everything goes well, it will return a prepare send response. The prepare send response looks something like this, with a destination field, so a confirmation that the destination that the user has provided is correct, and then the fees that we're going to incur. So here I'm returning a version response, and then if everything went well, I'm dispatching an event to my Redux store, setting the response and saving it for the next component. And then I'll navigate to the next page, so the confirm page that you see right here. All right, let's take a look at the confirm. Just like the receive side, this is literally identical. We have a display of the fees, so it will tell you, hey, these are the fees you're going to incur into, and whether or not you want to proceed with the payment. So if I go ahead and click yes, of course, that will send my funds. And if everything went well, we will call send payment here, and it will return a send payment response with the payment that we just sent. And of course, the send payment request takes one argument, which is the prepare response from the previous step. All right, so everything went well, it's dispatched, and we've triggered the final view. No need to go into it, it's just a static page saying, hey, you successfully sent this payment. And now if I go back to my list of payments, we can see we have a liquid transfer with minus 1000 sats, and it's complete. I can try this again, of course. So just to show you that the payment list refreshes. So I'll go ahead to my CLI here. I'll trigger another payment. All right. So we'll paste this address right here and an amount. Great. Okay, that works once again. As you can see here, it is going to show me the liquid transfer in a second. And there we go. We get a pending state. And once there's a confirmation, it will switch to complete once again. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you in general for watching this video series. It's been great to make, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.